Being a one-eyed mythical creature has never been ideal. My vision sucks. My depth perception, abysmal. But don't pretend like you were born with the all-seeing eye of Sauron. Your vision sucks too. You may have dual pupils, but they're still stuck right there, in front of your moneymaker. Do you realize how many things are happening right now that are not right in front of your face? Whoa! Sweet mother of Poseidon! Bobby is a guest in our home, and we do not eat him. Sure would be nice to have something to help keep an eye on things, something like a magic crystal ball. There's no such thing as magic crystal balls, stupid human, but there are such things as smart home cameras. Problem is, these things cost upwards of $200. So unless you bought Bitcoin 5 years ago, you'll only be able to afford one camera. Less expensive options still shoot in grainy 720p. Plus, they take 30 minutes just to set up. I can't be spending my life figuring out what to stick where and where to push how. It's all I could do just to get anything around here turned on. Isn't that right, honey? But now, thanks to this little box of wonder, she can't get enough of the one-eyed monster. This is Wyze, a 1080p high-definition smart home camera that lets you live stream whatever you want from wherever you want. Plus, these things are magnetic, just like my personality. You can put them anywhere. Your kid's room, the family room, the garage, your baby's crib.
Oh, she has your eye.
Yours too. Almost brings me to tear. Wyze has 4 LED night vision sensors, 8 times digital zoom, 2-way audio. Wyze also detects motion or sound and sends notifications to your phone. And I mean real motion detection, not like the other cameras where you get a notification every time a spider shots. If I wanted a daily string of useless notifications, I'd accept my mother-in-law's friend request. Don't tell Mom I said that. Now you can finally catch those pesky porch pirates pilfering packages. Which, while we're on the subject, whoever stole that last box off my porch, the contents were for a friend, not me. Oh, for the love of Aphrodite! Hey, Bobby! Wyze records a 12-second video clip every time it's triggered by motion or sound, and then stores it to the cloud for 14 days absolutely free. Or insert a micro SD card, and Wyze will happily record every useless detail of your mediocre life continuously. Like your wife's Instagram account. Oh! Check out all these other highly reputable companies that love Wyze. Oh, yeah. I recognize you. Oh, yeah.